Kasco's RobustAire systems are quiet and provide great aeration benefits in depths of 8 feet or greater. Kasco also offers a mounting bracket option for our small RobustAire cabinet. This video will walk you through the steps for assembling and mounting the small cabinet mounting bracket. What's in the box? 1 left and 1 right shelf bracket, 1 wall mount bracket, 1 pair of cleat hanger brackets, 17 3/8 by 3/4 inch serrated flange screws, 17 3/8 serrated flange nuts, 2 8/32 by 5/8 inch socket head cap screws, 2 8/32 serrated flange nuts, 1 1/4 by 1.5 inch lag screw, 2 8 by 2.5 inch wood screws. Tools needed: cordless power drill or impact driver, adjustable wrench, 1/4 inch drill bit, 9/16 socket and wrench, 9/16 wrench, 9mm wrench, 9/64 inch hex head. First, find a clean work area and grab 3 of your serrated flange screws and flange nuts. Then, grab your left shelf bracket and wall mount bracket. Attach the brackets using the nuts and bolts and hand tighten. Be sure to leave the bracket pieces a little loose. This will help you align the RobustAire small cabinet to the mounting bracket. Then repeat the process with the right shelf bracket. Now grab 1/2 of the cleat hanger, the 2 cap screws, and the matching pair of serrated flange nuts. Place your mounting bracket so you have easy access to the cleat holes as seen here. Using the cap screws and nuts, attach the cleat hanger half to the bracket and securely tighten. Confirm the cleat lip is pointing towards the triangular hole of the wall mount bracket. Bring your RobustAire cabinet into the work area and carefully flip it upside down. Then grab 6 serrated screws and nuts. Place the mounting bracket onto the cabinet and align the holes. Then secure using all 6 screws and nuts and tighten by hand. Once all the bolts and nuts are secure, grab your 9/16 inch wrench, socket, and ratcheting wrench. Then proceed to securely tighten all 3 1/8 inch screws and nuts. Now it's time to move on to the post, wall, or surface you are mounting your cabinet to. In this video, we'll be using a post for an example. Attach the second half of the cleat hanger with the lip up to the post using wood screws. Ensure your cleat hanger is mounted in the center of the post. Once the cleat hanger is secured to the post, grab your RobustAire cabinet with the attached mounting bracket and gently interlock the cleat hanger halves. Then, use the provided leg screws to fully secure the unit to the post. You are now ready to install your diffusers and run your RobustAire small cabinet system in your water source. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer service team in the business will be there to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.